The residents of villages in the South Central Rupununi in Region 9 had the opportunity to interact directly with the Minister of Housing and Water, Colin Crowell, and the Regional Democratic Council at the weekend. In Shulinap, the village's Tushao Nicholas Fredericks stated that a proper monitoring system is needed when projects are being implemented in the village. The Tushao made the comment after he explained that a third well is being drilled in the village after the first two failed.
So we don't have a reoccurrence of what took place at that second well. I won't want to go into details, but for us in the village here, it's a failure, and it's, I guess, a waste of taxpayers' money. Hence, now we have to drill another well, which should not have been taking place right now.
The meeting was held in Shulinap village, but residents traveled for miles from neighboring villages to voice the challenges and concerns they face. A major concern for villages such as Shiriri, Marau, and Sararinau is dilapidated school buildings, teachers' quarters, and health centers. Residents said if it wasn't for the COVID-19 pandemic and the closure of the schools, these facilities would have fallen to pieces. They are now calling for immediate intervention.
Shiriri Primary School and the head teachers' quarters is in dire need of water. The water system is there, but the pipelines are all being deteriorated. Pipelines. There are lots and lots of leakages.
Right now, it needs a brand new school. That is what he's saying. Because it's high time, very high time. Long already that building was built. And even to the walls and the flooring, all now showing, signs of age.
I'm a councillor from Merrill. I am here to request a renovation for our health post, which our health worker has been complaining all the time. And he also is in need of sanitary block, which he has been requesting too. So that is my concern for my community.
Another major concern is the lack of effective Wi-Fi connection in these villages, along with poor water supply.
This is a big issue within the communication sources within our communities. And what I am asking you is that we need signal areas where we can have proper communication being happening within our communities. And in that, we can have proper development in terms of communication. And I know it will benefit the youths and also everybody as a whole.
The community over there is requesting for more pipes. We live far from some people are living about a mile out. They're requesting for pipes to run to the house to get stand pipes.
The regional chairman, Brian Alicock, after hearing these concerns, said the village leaders now have the task of submitting requests for proposals to the Regional Democratic Council.
We have noted those things and we'll be looking at it at our, we have an RDC, but before then we have a budget meeting, right? So we're still looking at 2021. Things are coming in, the program heads are working, and we're gonna sit now and put everything together, put it in, and see where our budget gonna look like. My greatest aim is to link the villages by way of roadworks.
Meanwhile, the residents were further encouraged to raise their concerns with their village councils, who will represent them at the regional level. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.